Welcome to this video. This is Clarissa Tech. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to design an e-commerce store with WordPress. My WordPress has been installed already on my local host machine, which is local WP. That is the local host machine I'm using, local WP. If you want to learn how to install WordPress on local WP, you can actually check my previous video. Alright, to get started, you have to install your themes first. Come to appearance themes. So this is the default WordPress theme. If you visit your site, if you click on this visit site, you get this interface. This is the default theme. Mind blow, a blog about philosophy. This is default WordPress themes. So I'm not working with this. If any site you want to design, you actually look for a theme that matches what you want to work on. Right? So come to appearance themes, then click here add new. Let's add a new theme. Click to add a new theme. So let's search for the theme called Astra. Okay, so here is the theme. Install. So once you know what you are doing, right, you can start from anywhere. I can start by creating my pages first, since I know the page I want on the website already. I can start by creating my page first. I can start by installing the plugin first. I can start by installing themes just the way I'm doing. So I've installed the theme, just click on activate to activate Astra theme. Alright, so the next thing, let's go to Astra theme has been installed. Let's go to plugin, or let's go to pages. Let's add pages, add new page. So this interface you are seeing, this is the default WordPress page builder, the block editor. So we have other page builder we can work with, and one of them is Elementor. So for now, we just add the page we want to create. We need our home page, publish again. You can preview the page, view page, or we don't want to do that now. Just add new page. We're adding another page. So we'll add our store, publish, add a new page. So we can add about. It's an e-commerce store. You can actually add blog if you want to, where you make publications, write articles about the various products you are actually uploading. Create another page, and this page will be contact us, publish. Okay, that is that. Let's click here to view the pages. Click here. So these are our pages, the pages we just created. So before we set up the menu, let's come to so that we can, I want us to see what we are actually doing. Let's come to plugin, add new. Let's search for starter template. You can actually install that directly from the Astra dashboard, because this startup template works with Astra themes. Nonetheless, from the plugins option, search for starter template, then install. So that is installed. So we activate the template. Okay, now these are the list of templates available for abstract things. So you can choose to work with template. If you want to create an e-commerce store, you can just come under e-commerce, right? Click on e-commerce, and it will show you this is an e-commerce store, this is an e-commerce store, or what is showing you us here is an e-commerce store. So you can choose, since we are working on fashion brand, this is for electronics. Since we are working on fashion brand, this one with premium, you can't actually customize much because you have to pay for it. So this is free, and if we are, since we are working on fashion brand, we can go with this, right? We can go with this. So look at all this. We can preview it. If you preview, you discover that you can actually import all the content of this template. Everything will be imported. All you have to do is just to change the product to your own product, and in less than 30 minutes you are done with your store. But we don't want to work with full templates, and I don't even want to use this particular template because um, for the kind of for the e-commerce store I want to work on, this I don't like this heading, the way this header is. I don't want it, and this particular template I don't like the way the footer section is. So for the template I want to use, from the Astra options here, since the template is not designed for Elementor page builder, this is Elementor page builder. So let's change the page builder we're using to block editor, which is the default WordPress uh, page builder. So let's click on e-commerce. Under e-commerce, so this is the particular one I want to use, actually free. So I will click on this. So from here you can look at the way this is now. Imagine you are designing an e-commerce store for product as this, that is home decor, garden decor. So assuming you are designing an e-commerce store, you can just import everything here. All you have to do is to just change all these products to your own, and you are done in less than in few minutes. So that is that on that. But I'm not importing all this content. I just want to use the template, the design. I just want to use the design, the way the header section is, and the footer section. So I just want to use this design. So what I need to do now, you can upload your logo here, or you can skip that for now. We'll do that later on. So you skip the color, skip the font, just click on continue. So what you want to do now is you can just click on import customizer settings. You can fill this if you want. Import widgets, yes. Install require plugin. All the plugin that this template needs to function, it will install them automatically. There's no need of us going to install the plugin one after another to install it automatically. Then import content, we don't want this because we don't want to import those flowers and whatever. We don't want to import them. It's just the layout, the way the template is structured. That is what we need. So I will not import that, the content of the site. I just want the design. So I click submit and build my website. So now it will install the required plugin. Basic plugin needed for e-commerce store is WooCommerce. Activated already. Alright, as we can see, the template is installed successfully, and now let's take a look. Let's refresh. Alright, here is the template. This is the home page, and the home page doesn't have any content yet. And then this is the contact us page, no content yet. About page, no content yet, and the store page, no product yet. So now let's come back here, exit to dashboard. Okay, So let's go back to our appearance, go to the menu. Let's structure that menu properly. This is our primary menu. See some invalid menu. Okay, let's remove this. If you encounter such an error, you remove them and you re-add them. Okay, so for the primary menu, view all, click on view all. We are adding the home page, that home page, about, contact, store, add to menu. Okay, they are added successfully. So let's structure them. I want from our home page, store, and then after the store we have about us before contact us. So home page, store, about us, contact us. Okay, let's remove this. All right, save. Oh, sorry, this particular menu, where do we want it to appear? We want it to appear at the primary menu. Save menu. Good. So let's refresh. Home, store, about, contact. Good. So now what do we need to do? Let's add products. Let's just add product to our, click on all product to see the product, but there's no product here. Just click on add new product. So like I said, if you know what you are doing, you can actually finish customizing before you start it, and you start adding your product. But let's add product. So you add the name of the product. Let me say t-shirt. So you can add brief description about the product. You add the price. Product description. If you want to add a description, you can click on add description, and then you describe your product. Let me just can do something better. Can actually do something better. So you choose image you want to use. Let's check image from our library. Okay, there's no image. Let me upload image to this. Let me also upload this logo. Alright, uploaded successfully. Before I select anyone, let's cancel this and go do something. Let's set categories. Let's set our categories before we come back. So I'll just click on categories and open it in a new tab. So what the category does is that you can use it to group your product into different group. So in different categories, you can have category for men, category for women, category for t-shirt, category for smartphone, category for various categories. So it's very okay for you to group them in categories. So use that category or tag to call out those group of products when you are actually trying to beautify your website. So let's say shirts can do something better. Just this is just for tutorial sake. Okay, it has been added. Shirts, let's add trousers. Add, let's add. So just work with these three categories for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, can actually add tags too. Let's tag. We'll just use one tag, just featured. Can use this feature tag to call out some group of particular products you really want to showcase to your visitors on the home page. So that is that. Let's close this, come back here. So now description, image, let's choose our image. Say t-shirt, let's just go with this. So what next? These are general settings, organization, category. Our category is not yet listed. Let's refresh. Okay, yeah, these are the categories we created. So shirt, so we put it under category shirt, and tag, select the feature. This is the tag we created. So enable product review. You can allow your visitors to make reviews on your product. You can disable it if you don't want them. Hide in product, hide from search. No, no. So that is that on organizing it. Then you go to pricing. You can set your price, list price and sales price, product and shipping, only shipping, don't charge tax. So all this you can play around with them. So list price, sales price 6,000, list price 9,000, and the sales price is 6,000. Inventory, in stock. If it's out of stock, you select out of stock. It will only display, but the customer will be saying out of stock if you select out of stock. So in stock means the goods is available. On back order, no, in stock. Stock keeping unit, you can say, let me say 50. Then shipping, no shipping class, add new shipping class, no shipping class. So you can just play around with this. For the product, the width, the length, the height, the width, centimeter in centimeter in centimeter, the weight in kilogram. So you can just play around with that variation in case you have different variation for the product, for instance like color or sizes. Oh, this t-shirt, we have various color, we have purple, we have pink, we have red, we have black. So you add that variation from here. Alright, so when you are done with that, you can click on add. But if you click on add now, it will not add because we have not created our page. Do you get it now? That this is process by process, stage by stage. We have not created our page where our product will be displayed on. That is the page we created the other time, but we have not actually linked that page. This is the page store, but we have not linked it to our WooCommerce. For we have not actually tell this WooCommerce, see, any product we upload, display that product in this page store. We have not done that. We have not given that instruction, so it will not. Even though if you preview now, let's take a look. Let's open it in a new tab. It will not preview. It will not preview. Say page not found. Are you seeing that? Page not found. So we have to go and set that, give that instruction. So to do that, let's click on this WooCommerce. Let's open it in a new tab. This we'll actually do that same command for the front page. That once you visit my site, once you visit this site, the first page you should show not this about page, but let it show this home page. So everything we are customizing on the home page, it will be on this home page. Once any visitor click on the link of this site or access the site, what they should be seeing is the content we want to be on the front page. And that front page, there is a particular page you will assign as a front page. We want to assign this home page. That has been done already, but I just want to show us. You go to settings and under reading, let me not close that. Settings, under reading, right click, open a new tab. So we need a static page, not this, a static page, and then we select which of the page, not about page but home page. Then you save. Are you getting it? You save. That is that. So the same instruction we want to give to this WooCommerce. Just come here, WooCommerce, under settings, click on settings. Then you can set your address, fill up all this information appropriately, and then you come to product. This is where we'll give the instruction. So under product, this is the shop page. Okay, WooCommerce, when any product I upload on this website, any product I upload, I want you to display that product on a particular page. WooCommerce call it shop page, but which of the pages will be our shop page? Then you select from the list of pages we have created, and this is the right page that we created for search. So we'll click on store, right, and then you save. That is done. So once that is done, let's come back here. So let's preview now. Right click and say preview. You can preview from here. Right click, preview. Can you see? This is Wonderful. So this is the description we use, just a dummy text, not something real. It's a dummy text. So this is it. Oh, this product is listing for 9,000, but we are actually selling for 6,000. Add to cart, and it will be added here. Okay, so that is that. You can add as many products and in different categories. Do you get that? So I think we are done with this part. Okay, payment. Can set up your payment method. Can set up your payment method. Cash on delivery is on. So there's option for you to use for your customer to pay with card. You can actually integrate paper. So for you to integrate paper, this WooCommerce plugin, there is no paper option. There is no paper option, but you can actually do that by what? Using your plugin. So plugins allow you to add additional features to your website. So you just go to plugins and click on add new. This particular WooCommerce plugin, this is the paper that will work perfectly well with it. So you just say, you can see WooCommerce paper payment by WooCommerce. So you just click on install, activate. So it has been activated. So it works perfectly well with this. No need of any stress. Just come to your settings again under WooCommerce settings, and you see that the account is you can now find the paper option under your payment method. So if you click on payment, you can see paper. So you just enable it. All right, so paper is enabled successfully. So for you, it's now left for you to activate the paper. Right now I don't have any paper account that I can integrate with this, that I can link with this paper payment method. But if you have a paper account, you can actually link it up by clicking activate paper. So once you click on activate paper, it will take you to bring a pop-up window where you can actually sign in with your existing paper account or actually create a new paper account. So once you create that, it will allow your customers to actually pay for goods on your website with paper, and that paper option supports credit card, Visa, Mastercard, and other options, even paper itself. So that is that for that. Let's go under accounts and privacy. I think there's something there for me to show you. Okay, now you can say, okay, allow customer to place order without an account. Customer can actually place order on your website, on your e-commerce store, without the need of creating an account. If you want that, you can allow. If you don't want that, you can uncheck it and allow customer to log into an existing account during checkout. Click on this. Allow customers to create an account during checkout. Allow customers to create an account on the my account page. You can activate that and then save changes. So you can play with all these options and get yourself familiar with all the options here. So it's still showing us to connect our paper account. Alright, so that is that on that. Let's add more products and then we'll customize our home page. Let's add product rather, WooCommerce products, all products. Let's see, we don't have much, we only have one product here. So to make things easier, you can just duplicate this. You can click on add new product. You go through that same process we went through. But if you don't want to, for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want the video to be too lengthy, I'll just click on duplicate. Let's refresh. Good. So under our store we have four product listed already. So now let's go to our page. Let's go to about page. can design your about page. All you have to do is just to click on edit page. Let's see, we did not, this particular template you selected is for WordPress default block editor. I want to do something. Let's install Elementor page builder. Let's see if Elementor page builder will work with this, because Elementor page builder is a very simple, easy drag and drop page builder. Elementor. Let's install. Okay, so let's visit our site. Let's go to about, edit page. Click on this edit page. So edit with this, the WordPress editor. If you want to use what is it called, if you want to use Elementor, just click on edit with Elementor. If Elementor work well with it, then we'll use Elementor for building the pages. Alright, so now this is our about page, about us page. So for want to use Elementor, these are all the um, content of Elementor, though this is the free version. Some items here are locked, some elements are locked. So now what you have to do is to use our container. So you click on this plus, or you drag and drop your container here. That is for the container. So for this container, what do you want to do here? Click on this plus icon, click on image, or let's use this. Delete that one. So box, this is the layout. Box, full width, box. So click on style, select, I want to use image, classic, background image, choose image. Elementor is very easy to use. Okay, we are dealing with fashion, right? Let me select this, select that banner. So that is that. So we can actually still increase the size. Let's come to advanced. Unlink this, click on this to unlink it. So top, just want to, if you want to add margins, and if you want to add paddings, so unlink this, link it and return it back to 0. Let's put 0. So let's say leave the left as this, 0. Top, let's say 100, and the bottom 100, 150, 150, and the bottom 150. Okay, come back here, this image. Okay, I think I okay this way. So now this is the background image you use. We want to do something called over. Come to, want to click on over, come to background overlay. select color, select this and then change this, use color. Let's use this black and then increase the opacity this way. Good. So we can say come back here, come back here, select heading center. So then we change it. This, what is that, our brand? Okay, can change it, the text color here. Or something like this. Or let's see, let's change this to, okay, that is that. So we'll come back here, plus let's use another container here. So what you're going to do here now is, let's let's do it this way. Let's take off this container. Now let's add another container here, and here we'll be using this container that is split into two. So this part we are going to add image. So you search for image element and drag it in. So click on this, so on this placeholder, click on it and then select image. Now you want to say about this brand, so about us, about, yes. So let's assume this is their image. Okay, and then for this section we need our text. Come back here, type in text editor. No, I don't want it underneath. Text editor, drag it here, and heading, let's come back here, click on heading, above it. Good. It can be different, yours can be different depending on what you want. So let me write a brief description about the brand, just using a dummy text. So select this container, paste what we have, update it. Once you are through, you update. So that is that for the about us page, right? So you can give space here, space here. So for you to do that, you can actually adjust it from here, padding and margin. So you can just unlink this. So you only want to adjust the top. Ctrl Z. Let's take it back. Let's take it back. Let's do it for the entire container. So you come here, select this. You have select this whole container. So let's adjust from advanced. Unlink this. So I want to adjust only the top margin. Give a space between. You can see what is happening here. So below it too, let's give it 40 and bottom 40. So let's assume this is what our about us page is just all about, just the image of the brand owners and then information about them. That is all. This is our filter section. We can still edit it, so we update. That is for our about us page, right? That is for our about us. So this container now, you can actually right click on it and copy it. We want to use it for our home page, or let's go to our contact page. Let's go to our contact page. We don't need something much here. Let's see, edit page, edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are back to our contact us page. So we want to edit, you can just right click and paste. So change this to contact us. Contact us. Okay, that's us. Contact us. As easy as that. So you can change this background, this particular background image. You can change it to something. Let's get a free image here. This template I'm using actually supports you to search for free images from Pixabay. So let's search for contact. Contact. Just want to create something unique. Contact. Save and insert. So that it will download it and good. So this is it. You can adjust the image. You can adjust the image in full. You can see some large. So you can just play around here to actually adjust the image to something that will fit in. You can play around with it. So I want something the bigger one, large. So to just show, okay, yes. So contact us. That is that. Come back here. What we need here now is our contact form. So for us to do that, we have to go back. Let's go back. We need to create with our form. Okay, WP form. Click on it. Let's create our contact form. So this plugin we installed while installing that template can actually use it to create our contact form. So let's add in a new form. So I'll show you how to create a form. Call it contact us. Can name it whatever. Contact us, and then we select from the template. Use templates. Simple contact form. Let's use this. Yes. So you can select from here. Those some are locked until you subscribe to the pro version, but basically the things you need are actually free. A single line of text, the paragraph text, the drop down, the multi choice, the checkbox, numbers, name, email. So those are the basic things you need for a contact form. So this is it. If you are okay with the options here, you ask them for your name, email address, and their message, the message they want to send. So this email is compulsory, and the name rather is compulsory, the email is compulsory. So you can actually adjust the settings, right? See required. So if you turn it off, look at it. That means the name is not required. So let's leave it as this is required. That's why I'm showing this asterisk. So you actually save. You save. So once you save that, you can copy this code, the code you are getting from here, right? You can embed this code to any part of the page, but there's no need for that. Just come here, click on this, or just search for, you can drag in a container. Let's use a container, so the content we can actually control the container with. So now we'll come back here, click on WP, search for WP form, drag and drop. So you select your form, select a form. This is the default form that was created, and this is the one we created now. Select that particular one. Automatically the form will be added to our contact us page. So once they enter the name, last name, email, comment or message, and submit, it automatically submit, because this submit button, what is it called, WP forms has done that for us using the email address that is attached to the site. So if this form is, if you see that this form is maybe it's too big, you don't like it, you can adjust the size of the container. Why some other person may decide to do something like this. Let me delete this, a double box like this too, and then use this place for to list their phone numbers and phone numbers, address. That one you can use your text editor to do that, and use the text editor to do that. So that is that for that. You can play around with it. So if you are now adding the form here, let's say WP form, if you are adding the form here, it will only be within this section. So can you see that? Just within that section. And maybe you can put head in here. I have a question. So you can just see this, say I have a question, just write something here. Okay, leave us a message, blah 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 blah. So you can see the same text editor to add phone number, email address. So you can just duplicate this to add phone numbers, email address, and whatever. Duplicate this and then save. You just update it. You update. So let's go back. Mhm. So now let's go back to finish building our form, so we can close this. Okay, let's check again. So our store, about, contact us. This is showing, this warning is coming from the local host, so just ignore that. So the contact is working fine. The contact forms page and forms working fine, right? So that is that. Let's come back to our home. Let's edit our home page. Edit. Let's do that really quick. Okay. Let me go to our site. There's something I want to copy to save us time. Let's go to our about. So this is what I want to copy, this hero section. I'll just click on edit with Elementor. So this section, make sure you are here. This section, right click and then copy. So we'll copy that, let our home page finish loading. Alright, so now just click on this plus icon, or we right click on it, paste. What we are going to do here, we just okay. Just taking time because we do not have anything in mind before. We're just trying to create everything off, and so take time. Oh, man. Okay. Style, center, content. So you can just write something about something short about the brand here. You can close this now. Something short about the brand. So you can adjust it, the padding on link from the right. Let's give it 100, from the left 100. If that is not enough, can increase it to 150, 150. Okay, something like this. 200, 200. Okay, so I need to add something here, a button. Search for button, drag and drop the button. Center. Watch the button, just come down to okay, button text should be shop now, shop now. So the link, so let's link it to our shop, our store page. Okay. let's copy it. Visit site. Visit site. Just ignore that. It's coming from the local host. So our store, this store, copy the link. Click copy link address. So add it here. Update. So once this button is clicked on, it will take you to the store page. Okay, that is that. So just have to beautify your page to your taste. So let's do something else. Let's add another container, and then in this container, what do we want to do? Let's say category. This is product list. Product. Product grid. Product carousel. Let's use this. Good. So now let's say at the top, let's add our heading. Heading color black. Heading 3. So let's say products. Let's say product. Let's click on this container and adjust the margin. Container width. Container minimum height. So let's give space here. So come to advanced, margin, top margin. So adjust it. That is that. So we can actually add another thing here, another container here. Let's come back here and select. Let's say testimonial, business reviews, testimonial. Okay, I think I like this type of testimonial, but this will only work with a single container. Let's see, testimonial. Various styles of testimonial. Various styles. Let me go with this. Testimonial 1. Testimonial 1. Cancel David. Type client. Under client name, the color of the client name, client's image, position, and everything. So if you want to actually come under testimonial, you can change the quote is okay. Let's close it. Let's see settings. Okay. Let's go back to testimonial one. Client's name, designation, the client's image. You can add image of the person. Don't have any image here. Let me just use this. Just use this to duplicate. Good. So now I can actually change style. So you can adjust other settings. You can just adjust them to your taste. You can adjust them to your taste. Slice to show. Increase it. 3. So you can adjust them to your taste. Good. So that is that for testimonial. You can include your featured category too. So this is basically how to design a WooCommerce store using WordPress. So you can just continue to add elements to your home page to suit your taste. So let's save this because of time. Let's save this and let me show you how to change this logo and to customize the footer section. So from our any of the pages, for instance on our home page, just click on customize here. So once you click on customize here, it will bring up the customization panel for us. Remember, all this is just for tutorial sake. You can take your time to beautify your site to your taste. I'm just showing you around. So the global settings, you can change your typography, which is the font. You can change the color. You can adjust the container. Okay, this error is coming from Elementor CSS in our local host machine, so you can just ignore that. You may not find the error on your own if you use the default WordPress block editor, because that is what is actually compatible with this template we are using. So the buttons, can customize the buttons, right? So and other things, see the block editor, you can customize them from the global settings. So this header, the header builder, so this is what it does. This particular header, if you don't want this particular card, you just remove, click on it to remove this card. If you remove this, to remove this particular account button, if you remove this, it will remove this primary menu. If you delete it, it will remove the website logo. And for you to, from here, you can just click on website title and logo. So you click on change logo. So let's use this, our brand, the Vogue blend, insert, crop. Okay. So now that is how to change the logo. That is for the header section. Once you are done, click on publish. So that is, so for the filter builder, where we'll be ending this tutorial. So for the filter, the footer rather, you can change all this in the copyright. You can change this particular copyright. Let's just show. You can change it. Copyright current here. Then the name of your site. Publish. So let's see what you are working on. This logo can be adjusted. If I want to adjust that, I have to design it. If not, if I change the size from here, it will affect it. The logo will look strange, so it will not fit in. So now let's see what you are working with. We have changed this copyright 2023 logo blend. So let's come back to this. Okay, for this part you have this icon. You can just leave it at that, since we are using a payment method that actually support that. Then the social icon, this is what you are working on. This, so we are working on this footer section. So this, the social icon, you can link your social media, your Facebook, put your Facebook URL, your Facebook address here, and you can add other social media icons here. That is for that. So for this particular option, if I remove this now, if I remove this and publish, so let's refresh and see. Okay, the help option is gone. So you can do the same, remove this if you don't need it, publish, and this part will be gone. Part is gone. So this quick link. So for this quick link, you can actually add any link that can make your viewers access other part of the website so at ease. Can add maybe probably create account, shop, like contact us, can just add it to this quick link. Do you get it? So you can add it to the quick link. Then for this widget one, the widget one is having our logo. So you click on this logo and click on replace open media library, and then select our logo, publish. So that is that on how to customize your footer section. So you save. Alright, that is that. Remember, this logo is black, that is why it's showing like this. If you want to add a logo to this section, because this footer section is black, so the logo you should be adding here should be a white logo, color white logo. So if you check up here, this place is white, the header section is white, and the logo is black, so the logo is visible. But here the logo is not visible. This is how to customize your header and your footer section. We have our home page and we have our store, which we did not add much. Okay, let's not access this store this way. We actually link this button to our store page. So let's see if it works. Wow, so this is it. So with this you can create any kind of e-commerce store. Alright, that is that on how to create an e-commerce store with WordPress on localhost. The same procedure you can use to create on live host. This is Clarissa Tech. See you in another video. Thank you.